You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, look what your girl found minding her business, okay y'all? And I found it in like a little rinky-dink corner store, okay y'all? I'm so excited to try it. Y'all remember when I tried the other one? It was called Shock something, Star, I don't know what it was called. But if I can find it, y'all, I'm going to pin it right here. I have 3 of these, y'all. I'm giving 1 to my son and 1 for myself and 1 for my my little sister. And y'all, let me open it up. Sorry, my bad. And we're going to see what these are busting on. Here you go, baby. Got it. I'm not doing no talking, too much talking, y'all. I'm getting straight into it, y'all. It smells good because I smell my son's, and it smells like a real good grape soda. Purple is my favorite color, y'all. I'm very, 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 very excited. Okay, y'all? Cheers. Are you ready, son? Come get yours, sis. Oh, this is bomb. This is bomb. This is bomb. Come get yours. This is really good.
Mom.
Yes.
You know what it almost tastes like?
What?
It almost tastes like the grape phantom. Like different kinds of grape.
I think it tastes. I never had the grape Kool-Aid. Now that I thought about it. Have y'all had grape Kool-Aid?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. I don't think I ever had grape Kool-Aid, y'all. My favorite Kool-Aids to mix was lemonade and the blue one. Bomb. But this right here is good, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold you. You like it?
Yeah.
I know exactly what it tastes like. A crushed grape soda. Y'all remember the crushed grapes? That's the new buffalo sauce. We're gonna try that. The red hat one. I'm gonna make some buffalo wings tomorrow. Y'all down?
Yeah.
I might get a Lido's pizza tomorrow. Excuse me. And we could have Lido's and buffalo wings. How that sound? Good to me too. But you know I'm getting me an all veggie. Y'all can have Pat. Y'all, this is really good. I'm impressed. Very impressed. It's not too sweet. It's not really strong though. Ooh, I'm cold, y'all. It's not really strong. I feel like it's perfect, if that makes sense. But I would definitely run this back again. It tastes like an old school soda to me. I kind of want to say it reminds me of a Grape Rock Creek. Actually, I think more so than a Crush Rock Creek. I mean, more so than a crushed grape, y'all. I would say a Rock Creek grape. Because, see, Rock Creek grape is not really that strong. And that's what it's reminding me of. But it's good, though. From a 1 to a 10, I think I would give it like a solid 8.5. Like an 8.5. Because I do taste like that hint of water in the back. And it could definitely be stronger for me. It said it contains 0 juice. I would say it can be stronger. And that's pretty much it. What you rate it?
I rated a 7.
Okay. My sister rates it a 7 out of 10. What do you rate it, son? Y'all, my son just be... Hurry up. We got 3 minutes. A who?
8.
A 8. Okay, y'all. Finally, okay? Because we only got 3 minutes. My son, stop staring at me like that. My son rates it a 8 out of 10. My little sister rates it a 7 out of 10. And I rated it 8.5 out of 10. If you never tried it, I say try it. I think that I actually like this one better than the other one that I tried. Because it tastes like, excuse me. Ooh, hold up. Is that it? Excuse me. It tastes like an old school grape soda. All right, y'all. Bye for now.